April 18th is the day we celebrate the International Day for Monuments and Sites. On this day, we celebrate the diversity of monuments and other locations that are important to human history. For historians and archaeologists, sites are places where evidence of human history or activity can be found. These sites can include buildings or places where objects were left behind by people long ago. A monument is a structure that was created to honor a person or an event, or that stands for something. International Day for Monuments and Sites encourages communities to consider the importance of their cultural heritage. In Riverside, we have many monuments and sites that are a part of our cultural heritage. From grinding sites used long ago by indigenous peoples to national historic landmarks like the Mission Inn and Harada House, and statues along Main Street. Our community is brimming with places that are important to our community. One of these local landmarks is the Museum of Riverside. The museum turns 100 this year, but it didn't start off in the building it's in now. It originally started in the old City Hall, across the street from the current museum building. Before it was a museum, the building was the post office from 1912 to 1938. During World War II, the space was used as the headquarters of the 4th Air Force and later became an emergency dormitory for servicemen. In 1947, the Riverside Police Department moved in and the museum set up in the basement. Eventually, in 1965, the museum moved upstairs and into the entire building when the police department moved out. Now, the museum is closed for a major renovation and expansion. You can make your own mini museum with the virtual kits we've created for our 100th anniversary. Read the instructions and carefully cut along the lines and glue the building together. What would you put in your museum? What do you want to see in the Museum of Riverside when it reopens? We hope that you take some time to celebrate the many monuments and sites that make our community special. Can you think of any places in your area that are special to you?